Our company, Actia Engineering Services, is pleased to be appointed as a representative of Tunisia at the 2019 PMO Global Awards, the largest worldwide project management office awards hosted by PMO Global Alliance. Subsidiary of Actia Group, which is a French multinational of 3,300 people operating in the automotive and telecom fields, Actia Engineering Services is the R&D center of the group. Founded in 2005, Actia Engineering Services has more than 400 employees, mainly engineers from Tunisian and French universities. With more than 13 years' experience in the automotive field, Actia Engineering Services is now involved in high-value added projects, know-how, embedded software development, high-level software development, mechanical and electronic design, test and validation, qualification and certification of products, design and sale of test and production tools. Certifications: ISO 9001, ISO 17025, ISO 27001, CMMI Dev V1.2, selected for the 2017 First National Quality Award. Mr. Olivier Janot is our Program Management Officer. He manages the PMO on 5 different markets: automotive, energy, domotic, train, and medical. He has more than 10 new mechatronic products per year, from a simple actuator for automatic door opening to a complete bus passenger information and operational support system. He is the manager of the innovation in autonomous car, electric and connected vehicles patent deposit. He is the manager of the industrialization, serial production, after-sales services, MRO. He is the hands-on information technology leader with 18 years of experience and a proven track record of architecting and delivering reliable and scalable systems in a variety of areas, such as automotive diagnostic solutions, medical units, bus and coaches solutions, home automation products, embedded calculator units, smart grid products, network management and security, messaging services, safety solutions, and multi-tier supervision systems. We started in 2005 as a team of 2 project managers. We grew to reach 7 project managers in 2010 and created our PMO with only 1 project management officer and project managers. In 2015, our PMO has reached a maturity stage to program management office with different business units to include business analysts, product owners, innovation, support and methodology, and metrics. And we are working to establish our portfolio management office by 2020. Continuing on the PMO historic, in 2005 we started with 2 project managers who had these responsibilities: daily project management throughout the project lifecycle, planning the overall projects and monitoring the progress, managing the project's budgets, managing risks and issues and taking corrective measurement, coordinating the projects and their interdependency, managing and utilizing resources across projects, managing stakeholders' communication, aligning the deliverable, which are the outputs, to the project's outcome, managing the main project documentation. We created our first PMO in 2010. The main roles and responsibilities are managing shared resources across all projects administered by the PMO, identifying and developing project management methodology, best practices and standards, coaching, monitoring, training and oversight, monitoring compliance with project management standards, policies, procedures, and templates by means of project audits, developing and managing project policies, procedures, templates, and other shared documentation, and coordinating communication across projects. Talking about the PMO structure, from 2015, our Program Management Office is organized in 6 business units. Our team is formed by our PGMO, 3 business analysts, 3 product owners in electronics, mechanics, and software, 4 innovation engineers, 4 quality analysts in methodology, metrics, and reporting, 2 coach in project management who are providing support to all team members as backup of our program management officer and the 10 project managers. Our PGMO mandate is leading and coordinating common program activities across all program components, work and phases, resolving resource constraints and or conflicts that affect multiple components within the program, communicating and reporting to stakeholders in a manner that reflects all activities within the program, responding proactively to risks spanning multiple components of the program, aligning program efforts with organizational and strategic direction that impacts and affects individual components, group of components, or program goals, resolving scope, cost, schedule, quality, and risk impacts within a shared governance structure, tailoring program management activities, processes, and interfaces effectively. Our PGMO is working closely with all areas of the organization. For example, for financial business units, it provides tangible, timely, and accurate financial information, monitor program budget, compare project costs with the allocated budget, examine benefits realized, ensuring that financial plan adjustments are made and projected savings are taken into account. For marketing business unit, it provides inputs from the marketing function, which are required for some of the strategic decisions that dictate criteria to be used in selecting and managing projects and programs. For Human Resource Management business unit, by looking at the company programs and projects, the PGMO identifies the skills and qualifications needed for future successful projects. Skilled resources will then become available in the pool for placement into programs or projects or for related work. Corporate communications include assembling and communicating detailed information on the progress of major goals and projects or programs, as well as any changes to previously communicated plans. In order to ensure coordination and effective teamwork, communication among the teams responsible for the various components are planned, formalized, and managed in concert with best practices. Various PGMO events or milestones are also communicated both inside and outside the organization. This includes achievement of a major goal, elimination of a project, and other matters requiring corporate communications. Our PGMO mission is, throughout structured oversight and governance, Actia Engineering Services PGMO enables appropriate planning, control, delivery, transition, and benefit sustainment across the components within the program to achieve the program's intended strategic benefits. The PGMO provides a framework for managing related efforts, considering key factors such as strategic benefits, coordinated planning, complex interdependency, deliverable integration, and optimized pacing. The PGMO main objectives are the application of knowledge skills, tools, and techniques to a program to meet the program requirements and to obtain benefits and control that is not available by managing projects individually, aligning multiple components to achieve the program goals, provide a common outcome or delivery of a collective set of benefits, integrate and control the interdependency among the components by working in 5 interrelated and interdependent domains, which are program strategy alignment, program benefits management, program stakeholder engagement, program governance, and program lifecycle management. Oversee and analyze components interdependency to assist in the determination of the optimal approach for managing the components as a program. Our PGMO main functions are interact with each project manager to provide support and guidance on individual projects, convey the important relationship of each project to the overall program and organizational performance objectives, ensure that the overall program structure and program management processes enable the program and its component team to successfully complete their work and to integrate the components deliverable into the programs and product services results and benefits. Ensure that projects are organized and executed in a consistent manner and fulfilled within established standards, providing information needed to make decisions that guide the program in addition to providing administrative support in managing schedules, budgets, risks, and the other areas required for the program, address a number of issues systematically and effectively during the course of the program, like optimizing resources among programs components, evaluating total cost of ownership, and overseeing requirements and configuration management across components. Our key performance indicators are reflecting the performance of our PGMO. Exceeding rate of delivery times is less than 5%, cost overrun rate is equal to 0, internal anomalies rate is less than 0.2, rate of external anomalies by criticality of actual development load is less than 0.05, maintenance rate is less than 7.5%, project balance sheet completion rate is more than 90%, end user satisfaction is more than 95%, return on investment is more than 85%, and the net present value increasing for projects supported by our PGMO. We are adopting a tool development process. We are mature in the development and validation of embedded systems and experts in the automotive field. Our methodology is a hybrid one, V and Agile methodology. We use Scrum for new modules development and Kanban for maintenance purposes. We respect a quality-oriented design approach at each level, including standards compliance, fault detection, and metrics control. We apply systematic static code analysis to improve software quality, maintainability, and testability. Our quality management system is more and more mature. We are certified ISO 9001, ISO 17025, version 2055, ISO 27001, version 2013, CMMI Dev ML2, and CMMI ML3 targeted in March 2020. Our program management office will be improved to a portfolio management office by 2020, which includes identifying, prioritizing, authorizing, managing, and controlling project programs and other related work. To achieve our strategic business objectives, the main responsibility will be managing portfolio components, supporting component proposal and evaluations, facilitating prioritization and authorization, and allocating resources in alignment with organizational strategy and objectives. Aggregate and provide performance results to the portfolio components. Define portfolio management methodology, best practices, and standards for use as guidelines while formulating the methodology and standards for projects and program management. Forecast supply and demand for a portfolio that can be further broken down into supply and demand for projects and programs. Define a portfolio management strategy. Provide portfolio oversight and manage the overall portfolio value. Identify risks, analyze risks, and plan risk responses at a portfolio level. Developing and maintaining portfolio program and project frameworks and methodologies by providing project and program progress information and metrics reporting to the portfolio governance process. Negotiating and coordinating resources between various portfolio components or between portfolios. Assisting with risk identification and risk strategy development and communicating risks and issues related to portfolio components. Coordinating communication across portfolio components, developing and improving templates and checklists, monitoring compliance to policies, providing knowledge management including lessons learned, developing and conducting training and mentoring human resources in portfolio management skills, tools, and techniques. We will continue to grow and to lead the markets of automotive, bus and coaches, connected factory, defense, energy, IoT, medical, telecom and media, and rail, tram, and metro.